my smart little stars. I am Princess Tuba. Good morning, everyone. Let's learn the days of the week.
Days Wonderful!
Let's begin with Sunday. Watch this, my dears.
Ooh.
The magic is for all of you. Are you with me?
Yes, I saw!
Sunday, Sunday, shining bright. Gold sun and happy light. Hello, my little stars so bright. Today we learn days and
Left to right!
Monday morning, fresh and new. A happy start for me and you.
Monday, Monday!
Monday, Monday.
Monday!
Tuesday comes with joy and cheer, learning together year by year.
Tuesday!
Yes, it's a magical Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Let's make it magical. Watch the letters dance with us. Let's all say it together.
Tuesday!
Louder! One more time! A magical Wednesday for us all.
Yay!
Look at the rainbow shine.
So pretty!
Wednesday shines in rainbow light. Keep on learning, shining bright. Look, everyone, it's glowing. Wow, it's so magical. The colors are dancing.
Best Thursday ever! Thursday! Thursday!
Look, everyone, Friday magic. The letters are sparkling. That's the Friday spirit. Friday! 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 Happy Saturday, everyone! Let's draw our favorite Saturday things.
Okay,
Saturday is Creative Day. Colors help us learn and play.
say it loud!